guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, because I am doing well myself. Thank you guys for checking out my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Guys, as you can see by the title, I am so excited to be doing this one. As you can see by the title, today I will be unboxing the Teddy Blake luxury handbag. I am so excited to be doing this. I am so excited and I'm so thankful. Oh my gosh. So let's get started with unboxing the Teddy Blake. I can't wait for you guys to see the handbag that I selected, guys. Oh my god. So let's get going. Okay, guys. Let's go. I love doing unboxing videos. It's so cool for me to share all the gems and all the tea on these bags. Okay. Okay. What? Look at it already. Look at it already. Okay, let's get it out, girls. Let's get it out. It's the aesthetic for me. Get up out of here. It's the aesthetic for me, guys. Look at this. You can see the luxury in this already, and I didn't even open it yet. You can see the luxury. Look how nicely it's packed. What? I could put this in my closet just like this. I don't even have to put it on the shelf. Put it. Ooh, girls, get in here. Let's go. Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy. Luxury leather. This is so aesthetic. I love this. This is so nice. Wow. Amazing, guys. Amazing. And I didn't even open it yet, but you can already see how beautiful this handbag is going to be. Let's get into it, girls. Isn't this wrapped so nicely? It's presented so nicely. Can you say luxury? Luxury. Okay. This box, I'm keeping this box. Because even if you don't use it with the bag, you could keep it for a keepsake or anything. I love it. Okay, Teddy Blake, I hear you. I like it. Don't you guys like this? This is so cute. I love it. Let's open it up, guys. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's like, can't wait to eat. Can't wait to eat. But wow, look at this bag. Look at it. Look how it's so nicely wrapped. The details is everything to me right now. The details in this bag, beautiful. I am not complaining at all. Teddy Blake, you're doing a big one. Ooh. Guys, what? What? Wow. This is a beauty. I'm gonna have to name her. Actually, her name is Bella Clock. She's 12 inches, guys. Bella Clock. Clock for crocodile, guys. Wow. And it feels so good. This is Italian leather, okay? Rich Italian leather. And this is made in Italy. Made in Italy. This is how they don't play. They're not playing. Wow, guys. This is a beauty. And let me tell you guys. And it feels so nice and soft and rich. It feels and it looks so rich, guys. Wow. I am so amazed. And it has the straps. If you want to put the straps on, you can put it on. If you want to lock it like this. I usually lock my bag like this. I don't really do the strap thing unless I'm in mommy mode. But most of the time, I lock my bag like this. And I love the gray because it's a neutral color. So you could basically wear this with anything. I always buy bags that's a neutral color because you could pick it up and rock it with anything. You know what I mean? Unless you really want, if you're a black bag kind of girl red bag, but I like this color. I have no handbags this color, and once I see the crocodile, let me tell you girls, it was so hard for me to pick a bag because there was so many selection. And when I say like their selection is awesome, like I didn't know what to pick. I was like, dang, which one to get? Because they were all so beautiful. But the springtime is coming. This is perfect to wear in the spring. You know, put whatever you got to put in it. Beautiful, guys. Let's check out and see what else is inside. Get rid of all of that mess. Wow. This is, wow. This is Italian? Wow, it feels amazing. And you can fit anything in here. You can even fit a little iPad in here, your phone. You can throw anything in here. And it has pockets on the side. You see? Pockets. And it has pockets. Again, 2 pockets. That's one thing I love. Wow, this is amazing, guys. You can put your wallet, your bag. You can put any, I could put my whole house in here. And it's beautiful. This is 12 inches, guys. This is the light gray Bella Croc, 12 inches, okay? And this is Italian leather made in Italy. Check out the Teddy Blake, New York. Wow, I'm so amazed. I didn't expect this. This is beautiful. I never had a nice Italian leather bag like this. I love it, guys. Guys, I think you should go and check it out. I'm telling you, check it out. Don't miss their sale they have going on. And if you do, you can use my code TBSHENELL30 to get $30 off. Did you hear what I said? $30 off. Make sure you use my code TBSHENELL30 for $30 off, guys. It'll be in the description box down below. Make sure you use my code so that you can get your dollars off, girl. I'm telling you, they have luxury handbags. They have different styles. You're gonna know what I'm talking about. When you go in there, you're gonna have so many selections to choose from. You might buy more than one. Guys, go and check it out, okay, guys? And make sure you check it out and click the link below and use my code for TBSHENELL30 off, guys. Check it out. Bye-bye. Me and my bag is gonna go for a walk. Peace out. Hey, guys, check out this Teddy Blake New York unboxing. Teddy Blake is known for their great top-selling luxury handbags that are truly made in Italy, guys. When I tell you, their leather, Italian leather, is top-notch. It's top-notch. It's one of the most luxury bags that I've ever seen. Okay, they have different dream designs. They have so many different selections to choose from, guys. You should go ahead and check it out. Guys, check it out online on their website, www.teddyblakenewyork.com. And guys, use my code in the description box to get $30 off. Did you hear me? $30 off of your choice. Okay, guys? Click the link in my bio and you will get all of the information in the description box, guys. This handbag is called Bella Croc 12 inches, light gray, okay, guys, by Teddy Blake. Guys, go online and check it out. I'm telling you, you would not be disappointed. These are one of the best top-selling luxury handbags right now. If you want to feel rich in luxury, go ahead and check out Teddy Blake. Thank you guys for watching.